Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So we're going to be playing with some more affordable makeup today. I cannot get enough of affordable and drugstore makeup. It's just the best. And you guys probably, I don't know, you might agree with me and you might not, but I feel like 3-4 years ago, it was really hard to find affordable makeup that was actually really, really good quality. Like nowadays, I feel like it's nearly the same quality as some of the higher end stuff. And I'm not going to be mad about that because if I can save money, it's always a good thing. So I've got some new products from Folk Allure to play with here today. I've done quite a few videos on this brand. If you're not familiar with them, they're kind of like Makeup Revolution, or they're kind of like Sleek, or you know, those sort of more affordable online sold kind of drugstore kind of products. Every time I do these videos, you guys are just like, we want more, please test more products. So I've got another order here in front of me. I got eyeshadow palettes, some lip products, an eyeliner, and also we got some brushes. I had a lot of requests after my last video to do, like to let you know what their brushes are like, what the quality is like, and if they're actually worth it. So yeah, we're pretty much going to be playing with these today. I do just quickly want to mention as well some feedback on the other reviews that I did. Bear in mind, and I get a lot of comments and messages about this, it does take quite a while for your order to arrive. I was receiving messages from people being like, oh my gosh, like I ordered, you know, and I haven't received it yet. Is it a scam? You know, blah, blah, blah. It's not. It just takes quite a while for you to get your order. For me to get my order here in Australia, it sometimes takes like 3 to 4, more around the 3-week mark, but it does take a little while. And also you want to make sure that you're actually buying off their official website. There are a lot of like copycat websites out there selling products that look like their products that aren't actually their products. So just make sure that you're buying off the official website. I'll be popping links in the description bar down below of the actual official website so you know where to get these, but they also do have like an authenticity thing, so you can use that as well. But let's get into it before I end up talking all day. And I'm also completely rugged up because it is so cold here. We're just coming out of winter here in Australia and now I'm just like, I'm not ready. No. All right, so the first thing that we're going to be playing with, like I said, is this palette. Oh, I need a moment with this palette. It's so, so pretty. And I actually haven't swatched it yet. If you've watched any of my other Folk Allure videos, you already know like their eyeshadow palettes are really, really good quality. A lot of them are like $12, $13, $14, $15, $16 most of the time. They're so affordable. This I am kind of dying over. I'm pretty sure this is a new release from them too. I hadn't noticed it like until I made the last order on their website, so it must be new. This is their new Constellation Palette. It's got really pretty packaging, like with gold reflex. It's like super, super spacey. This would be good for like a holiday one, I guess. Look at the shades. Oh my God. It's like next level. So we've got some beautiful matte browns, some shimmery coppers, blue glitter. Oh my gosh. A gold glitter, a copper glitter. It is everything. It's so beautiful. Oh, I just noticed that all the names of the shades in this one are actually star signs. Where's Libra? I'm a Libra girl. Who else is a Libra? Let me know in the comments if you're a Libra as well. Actually, let me know your star sign in the comments. Let me know. The Libra shade is actually such a Nikkia color. It's made for me. So yeah, I think we're going to play with this one first. Let's do a couple of swatches. I might actually even zoom you guys in. We'll start working on our eyes now. How's that? Is that close enough? Can we see? I did already prime my eyes, which is why I'm sort of looking a little bit bizarre. I haven't set them down though, so they're creasing. Oh, now you can sort of see the palette a little bit better. Look at those glitters. They're insane. So on their website at the minute, this one is on sale for 25% off. Like I said, I'll pop links in the description bar as well. They have given me a link for like a special 25% off, but I'm looking on their website now and it seems like everything is 25% off. Anyway, links will be down below. Also, that's not an affiliate link, just so you know. It's just there for you if you want to use it. I did used to have a code, but a lot of you guys were having trouble actually entering it on the website, so they've swapped that out, I guess, and now it's like a link that'll give you 25% off. Okay, let's swatch these. I'm going to swatch Leo first. Oh my gosh, it's so... I barely touched that shadow then. Oh my God, that is insane. All right, I'm done. Oh my gosh, turn the camera off. What the hell? That is... Look at this. Have a look at that. I literally barely touched that. That shade is Capricorn. And it's like an amazing rose gold with like silvery shimmers. Whoa. I mean, you may have seen the other videos. Typically their eyeshadows are really, really good quality. Their shimmers are usually like an interesting formula, a little bit different to some other palettes. The shimmers are they're nearly like a cream to powder sort of a finish. Really, really tacky though. You know, easy to apply. You get lots of pigmentation on, but then they don't stay tacky. It's a really interesting formula. All right, so there are some of the swatches that I did. Really smooth, really buttery. Didn't have an issue with the swatches at all. But at the same time, swatches don't indicate really how a product is going to perform on your eyes. So this is going to be the real test. Oh, we never swatched Aquarius. That was stupid. Aquarius is a pressed glitter. Oh my goodness, sweet mother. Look at that. That one's sort of like a glitter topper. Really pretty though. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, calm your farm, Nikkia. Let's start actually using them now. Oh, I still haven't washed my makeup brushes. I need help. I've got like what feels like hundreds of brushes that I need to wash, and I've been avoiding it for like literally months. I'm disgusting. I've just been washing the same ones and reusing them because lazy. So first up, I'm taking Taurus, that taupe kind of a color. I'm going to see how that one goes through the crease. Oh, my freaking eyeshadow primer has creased again. Blend this one through the crease. I've actually got one of their eyeliners to try as well. I'm actually quite excited. It looks really, really nice. Oh, that's a nice color actually. Go the other side. It's definitely like a cool tone pinky brown. It's actually quite a nice transition. I'm going to go in with Cancer now. It's like a slightly warmer matte brown. They don't have an odd scent too. Have you ever noticed how like more affordable palettes, they kind of smell, I don't know, a little bit weird. These don't have a weird scent at all. I'm going to be putting this one basically through the crease as well. Just over the top, but maybe not blending it up as high. Although sometimes things happen without my permission. I'm such a nuff. I just realized I've got their brushes here as well. Oops, let's open them up. Ooh, these actually look quite nice. I'm not sure what this set is called, but I'll link it down below. Oh gosh, they're actually really, really soft. I can't believe I forgot that I had them. I literally spoke about it in the intro. Oh wow, look at them. They've got like a shiny, it's like glittery, white with like a pinky glitter. Gold, and then white bristles. They're really, really soft bristles too. They feel like synthetic hair, but they feel very familiar to natural hair as well. I'll have to check on their website what these are. Ooh, featuring German nanofiber soft bristles. Fancy. Okay, now that I remembered, let's use them. You know what? This solves my dirty brush issue. How awkward. Oh my God. Oh wow, they feel really, really soft. I'm just sort of using one of the larger ones. Do they have numbers? They don't have numbers. To kind of like smooth the edges. Oh, they're really, really soft. Okay. So far, I like. So I'm going to take a Libra now on one of the Focal Lure brushes. Oh, this one's such a cool color. I'm sort of packing that on and blending it through the, oh my gosh, that color. So what are you all doing today? We've got a new rug being delivered that I'm a bit excited about. It took me like 4 weeks of contemplation to actually order this thing, and it's finally coming in the mail today. Do you ever do that? Like you see something online and you're like, I don't know. And then you wait and wait and then pay for express shipping. What is with that? Why is it that as soon as you make the purchase, you've got to have it immediately, even though you've been sitting on it for like weeks deciding whether or not to buy it? I don't know. I've got an illness, okay? A shopping illness. This particular shade is very pigmented, but it's got a different kind of a texture to the mattes that we started out with originally. It's because it is sort of like, it's definitely got tiny little shimmer pigments in it. It kind of like really grips onto the lid. So just keep that in mind when blending it out. I'm going to take Scorpio, this one here. It's slightly deeper. I'm going to pack, oh wow, that's insane. On the inner and outer corner. Wow, that one's got like a really pretty, it's like subtle, but a really, really pretty sparkle to it. You can kind of only just see it as you move your head. I guess this is actually perfect for you guys in like America and Canada. Like this is a full makeup look for sure. I'm gonna rub that taupe shade that we started with just through the lower lash line now. And then we're gonna finish with like that rose gold glitter right in the center of the lid. I'm hoping that it looks as insane on my eyes as it did on the swatch on my hand. Okay, now decisions. Do we use Sagittarius, the copper, or do we use Capricorn, the rose gold? I kind of want to use the rose gold because there's silver glitter in it. It's making me feel some kind of way. I'm just going to take it on my finger. Oh, stop it. You know that moment when you immediately know you've made the right decision? I've just experienced that. Oh my gosh. gosh, it's got great payoff too. You know how sometimes like these glittery kind of eyeshadows, half of it ends up staying on your finger, but that's come off really well. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to leave this makeup on today. I'm gonna have to, I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I'm gonna have to leave it on. Hopefully the postman comes. Brandon, I'm sure, will appreciate it. So pretty though. Okay, let's move on. I really enjoyed this palette. I do definitely think, I mean, for the price, it's totally worth it. Really, really pretty. All right, next up I've got one of their eyeliners. This is their Superfine Liquid Eyeliner. Sharp fluid smudge proof. Oh, that's cool. It's got like soft touch packaging. Huh, awesome. And there's a little ball in there. Oh, it's a brush tip, not a felt tip. Oh, those are usually my favorite, and it's got a very, very fine point. Doesn't look too bad at all, hey? Shall we do a wing? We're gonna wing it today. Let's see how we go. So it does dispense a good amount of product while you are using it, which is good. Kind of a bit hard to use over the glitter. So the tip definitely makes it super, super easy to use. Let's try a wing and see how we go with that. Oh, wow. You get a very, very fine, sharp line. Damn. So I'm going to keep it on all day and I will update on whether or not it smudges. I do have issues with quite a few affordable eyeliners and they just end up smudging and transferring because of my oily skin. All right, I'm going to finish off the rest off camera because I feel like this video is just getting too long now. So I'm going to do the other wing. I'm going to put mascara and lashes on and then I'm going to finish off my base makeup. And then we've just got these lip products here to try. How cute is this? It's like a little velvet matte lipstick capsule collection. They're like little minis. It's really cute. So anyway, I'll be back. All right, so I finished up the rest of my makeup and this is what we're looking like so far. The glitter has really, really hard up on my eyes. I actually haven't had any fallout, which is quite interesting to be honest. I found it really easy to create a wing with that eyeliner too. The only thing I did have trouble with was it was sort of hard to get it over the glitter. I had to go over it a couple of times to get it to really cover up that glitter. But such a fine, precise tip. I didn't even have to use a brush to clean it up, which is pretty rare, so I like it so far. Whether or not it transfers will be the next thing, but the last thing we've got to test today is this little lip set. So this is called Capsule. It says that they're creamy, highly pigmented formula that glides on for easy application, boasting an instant smooth matte lip, non-drying, that gives full coverage and stays put throughout the day. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. You open it up. Oh, they're all red, see? We chose well with the eyes. We really, really chose well. They're all in like little individuals. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, they're teeny tiny. Oh, they're not liquids. For some reason I thought that they were liquids, but these are actually mini lipsticks. Look how cute they are. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh my God, I can't get over how cute these are. Look at them. Ah, I just chopped one. They're so teeny tiny. Ooh, actually very creamy pigmented formula. So that one's like a brownie red. Oh, this one's lighter. This one's like a pretty pink. Gosh, it's a really nice creamy matte formula. They don't really have a scent. Oh my God, this one. Oh, stop it. That is freaking insane. Wow, it's so pigmented too. Ooh, I'm going to put this one on this side. I think this is the one that we might put on. There they are kind of close up. They're really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to put this color on because I saw it and I was like, need. So let's see. Oh, see, look at that. Like I literally touched my lip for a second and it's like full opacity. You would not even need to go over that. Damn. Oh, they've got such a sharp tip too. Pretty easy to get a nice, clean, crisp line. Wonder if these come in full sizes because this color I am living for. I kid you not, that is one of the nicest matte lipstick formulas I've tried in a really, really long time. What the hell? I need to check if these come in full sizes. That is amazing. Love the color too. Oh, Fogalua, what have you done? So I already want to make another order. Need to control myself. But this here is the finished look, guys. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I didn't find any of the products that we did test today to be like not great. I'm particularly surprised by these lipsticks. Like I did not expect these to be this amazing. Truly, truly beautiful. The palette was gorgeous. The eyeliner is really, really nice to use. Very easy to get a nice, fine, precise line. The brushes were really, really soft as well. So definitely, you know, if you're in the market for some affordable brushes, they might be a good option. But wow, let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section down below. And let me know, I mean, even if you want to see like a swatch video on all of their lipsticks, like, oh, I'm going to look on the website right now. I would be totally happy to do it. This formula is insane. I got lacquer. Oh, it doesn't look like they do have them. Yeah, it seems like they only come in the set. Focalure, if you're watching this, we need these in full size. These are insane. So like I said, guys, I'll be wearing this makeup all day. I will update you on, you know, anything weird that happens, if the glitter transfers, if the eyeliner transfers, if we get fallout, if the lipstick just goes yucky. I'll update all of that in a pinned comment down below. But other than that, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video. I've got plenty of videos testing these products out. I will link them on the screen now. Make sure you head over. Actually, I did one a couple of months ago now. I found a palette from Focalure that is literally the most amazing dupe to the Huda New Nudes. I'll pop that on the screen now. Make sure you go over and watch that because like you'll be shook. You will be shook, literally. I love you guys so much and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.